Hey, it's DPerry, and I am a realtor with Property Consultants in Bucktown. And today, on Logan Square and West Town Home Live, I'm going to share with you a free report entitled 7 Hot Home Trends That Make Your Home Work for You. Home improvement trends embrace energy efficiency, low maintenance exteriors, and double duty space. So, Happy New Year, everyone. It's 2019. It's a new year. You want to spruce up your home just to make it more comfortable and enjoyable for you. Or maybe you're thinking about, putting a shine on it so that you can sell it. So anyway, I'm going to share this article with you, which is brought by House Logic, made possible by realtors. But before we do, first I have a freebie for you. It's called Market Snapshot, and its name implies what it does. It gives you a snapshot of real estate activity in any area in Chicagoland. So how does it work? You get an email, you click the link, bam, here you go. Here's the home screen. You've got some summary information over here on the right. You click the bullseye, you see the market snapshot. All these houses are color coded according to their status, and they correspond to these large buttons above. You can click the buttons, you can filter what you see, and you can also sort in a variety of different ways. If you want to drill down into a property, you just click the house. It's highlighted over on the right. You can see all the pictures. If there's property details, room dimensions, all that stuff, that's over here. If you have school-age children, there's useful information for you here. And of course, home is more than just the four walls you live within. It also includes shops, restaurants, you name it. So you can drill down into a restaurant and you can go to Yelp where you can see the reviews, the menu, the hours, pictures. It's a fantastic tool. And guess what? The price is right. Market Snapshot is absolutely free, so if you're interested, you'll see a link in the show notes. Go ahead and click that now. Okay, so back to the report. 7 hot home trends that make your home work for you. So let's get right to it. Okay, today's home improvement trends show that we like our houses to work harder and smarter for the money we spend maintaining and improving their value. We no longer want bigger. Instead, we want space that's flexible, efficient, and brings order to chaos. We're watching our wattage with monitors and meters and guarding our weekends with maintenance-free exteriors. Here's a look at 7 hot home improvement trends that improve the way we live with our homes. Trend number 1, maintenance-free siding. We continue to choose maintenance-free siding that lives as long as we do, but with a lot less upkeep. But more and more we're opting for fiber cement siding, one of the fastest growing segments of the siding market. It's a combination of cement, sand, and cellulosic fibers that looks like wood but won't rot, combust, or succumb to termites and other wood-boring insects. At $5 to $11 per square feet installed, fiber cement siding is more expensive than paint-grade wood, vinyl, and aluminum siding. Still, it's a solid investment. If you should decide to sell your house, you'll recover 83% of the project costs, according to the Remodeling Impact Report from the National Association of Realtors. Maintenance is limited to a cleaning and some caulking each spring. Repaint every 7 to 15 years. Wood requires repainting every 4 to 7 years. Trend number 2, convertible spaces. Forget museum rooms we use twice a year, dining rooms and living rooms, and embrace convertible spaces that change with our whims. Fold away walls turn a private study into an easy flow party space. Walls can consist of fancy glass panels, $600 to $1,600 per linear foot, depending on the system, or they can simply be vinyl covered accordions, 1230 or $1,230 for 7 feet by 10 feet. Portablepartitions.com sells walls on wheels, ranging from 775 for approximately 7 feet by 7 feet. A Murphy bed pulls down from an armoire looking wall unit and turns any room into a guest room. Prices, including installation and cabinetry, range from $2,000 for a twin with main cabinet to more than $5,000 for a California King with main and side units. Just search online for sellers. And don't forget area rugs that easily define and redefine open spaces. Trend number 3, a laundry room of your own. Humankind advanced when the laundry room arose from the basement to a louvered closet on the second floor where clothes actually live. Now we're taking another step forward by granting Wash Day a room of its own. If you're thinking of remodeling, turn a mudroom or extra bedroom into a dedicated laundry room big enough to house the washer and dryer, hang hand washables, and store bulk boxes of detergent. Look for spaces that already have plumbing hookups or are adjacent to rooms with running water to save on plumbing costs. Trend number 4, souped up kitchens. Although houses are trending smaller, kitchens are getting bigger, according to the American Institute of Architects Home Design Trends Survey. Kitchen remodels open the space, perhaps incorporating lonely dining rooms, and feature recycling centers, large pantries, and recharging stations. Oversized and high priced commercial appliances, did we ever fire up 6 burners at once? Are yielding to family sized mid range models that recover at least one cabinet for storage. Now, since the entire family now helps prepare dinner, double prep sinks have evolved into dual prep islands with lots of counter space and pull out drawers. Trend number 5, energy diets. We're wrestling with an energy disorder. We're binging on electronics, cell phones, iPads, Blackberries, laptops. Does anybody still carry a Blackberry? Then we crash diet by installing LED fixtures and turning the thermostat to 68 degrees. Are we ahead of the energy game? Only the energy monitors and meters know for sure. These new tracking devices can gauge electricity usage of individual electronics, $20 to $30, or monitor whole house energy, $100 to $250. The TED 5000 Energy Monitor, which costs $240, supplies real time feedback that you can view remotely and graph by the second, minute, hour, day, and month. Trend number 6, love that storage. As we bow to the new god of declutter, storage has become the holy grail. We're not talking about more baskets we can trip over in the night. We're imagining and discovering built in storage in unlikely spaces, under stairs, over doors, beneath floors. Underappreciated nooks that once displayed antique desks are growing into built ins for books and collections. Slap on some doors and you can hide office supplies and buckets of Legos. Giant master suites with floor space to land a 747 are being divided to conquer clutter with more walk-in closets. Trend number 7, home offices come out of the closet. Flexible work schedules, mobile communications, and entrepreneurial zeal are relocating us from the office downtown to home. Laptops and wireless connections let us telecommute from anywhere in the house, but we still want a dedicated space, preferably with a door, for files, supplies, and printers. Spare bedrooms are becoming home offices, and family room niches are morphing into working nooks. After a weekend of decluttering basements and attics, are reborn as work centers. So I'd like to thank Lisa Kaplan Gordon, who wrote the article. She's an award winning Pulitzer Prize nominated writer who contributes to real estate and home improvement sites. In her spare time, yeah, right, she gardens, manages 3 dogs, and plots to get her 21-year-old out of her basement. So, I hope you found value in that. And by the way, I'm wearing my Bears cap because the Bears won last Sunday, and it is my custom to celebrate on the next show after the Bears win. So, if you'd like your very own market snapshot, it's easy. All you got to do is click the link. The link you see on the screen is actually live in the show notes. Go ahead, click it now. If you have any questions about real estate, call me, Doug Perry, at 312-572-9801. Or you can email me at dperry@propertyconsultants.com. I look forward to speaking with you soon. I look forward to meeting you even more.